In this video, I'll show you how to create clickable email links in Canva. Let's use this resume design as an example. We'll make the email address clickable so employers can contact you easily. First, double-click the email address text and type in your actual email. Then click the three dots menu and select Link. In the pop-up box, enter your full email address again and click Done. Canva will automatically underline link text, but you can remove the underline by clicking the underline button. The link will still work. You can also make email icons clickable. Select the icon, click the three dots, choose Link, and enter the same email address. When finished, go to the Share button, click Download, and select PDF Standard as your file type. This will preserve all your clickable links in the final PDF. Now, when someone opens your PDF resume, they can simply click the email address or icon to start a new email to you. Thanks for watching.